Earlier today, and some of you probably saw the coverage of it on television, Bill Clinton and I were both in Boston at the funeral service for Senator Ted Kennedy. He was by far the most effective member of the United States Senate that I served with, and many say the most effective member of the United States Senate in the last century. We miss him and we honor his memory. And let me tell you, that church was filled up with Republicans as well as Democrats, even though he was known as I started to say partisan. He held to his values and he fought for what he thought was right, but he did it in a way that reached across the party line, and we have to do that to get good things done. But let me tell you one thing that really impressed me about the service today. They had a passage that had been written by Senator Kennedy about his religious faith, and he said that the center of his Christian faith was the Gospel of Matthew. And many of you know the famous passage that begins in chapter 25, where Jesus says to the gathering that you gave me food when I was hungry. You gave me water when I was thirsty. And when I was sick, you cared for me. And they said, Lord, Master, when did we do these things? And he said, when you did these things for the least among us, you did it for me. Now let me tell you, we hear a lot of talk about liberal and conservative and left and right. But ladies and gentlemen, when there are tens of millions of people in our country who cannot afford or get access to health care, we have a moral duty to pass health care reform, and we need to pass it this year. Build support for it. Give these members of Congress the support they need to vote right on it. Let's give President Barack Obama the victory that our country